This initial solution will show you how to create email template in Outlook. Use email templates to send messages that include information that infrequently changes from message to message. Compose and save a message as a template and then reuse it when you want it. New information can be added before the template is sent as an email message. Now let's see how you can create an email template in Outlook. First of all, open your Outlook and click on New Email. In the message body, enter the content that you want. In the message window, click on File and click on Save As and give here your template name and click on Save As Type drop down, and from here you have to select Outlook Template OFT and select a folder where you want to save the template. Click on Save and I'm going to open my file manager, and as you can see, my Outlook email template has been successfully created and saved to my computer. So this is how we can create Outlook templates. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.